Are you looking for a beautifully remodeled home with modern and attractive finishes in a sought-after West Asheville location? Then look no further than 286 Pisgah Road in Asheville. This lovely home is located in a super location that has quick access to Starbucks, restaurants, the grocery store, and the interstate. As you are welcomed in, you will find a spacious, light-filled floor plan with 4 good-sized bedrooms allowing for plenty of space to spread out. Updates include new siding, new heat pump, fresh paint, and stunning new wood floors throughout, custom trim package with modern baseboards, sleek doors, and hardware. The living room is spacious and has a cozy wood-burning fireplace. The large kitchen has beautiful granite countertops, lots of storage, and upscale appliances. The modern, updated hall bathroom features granite counters and all new fixtures. The spacious ensuite bedroom has his and her closets and a brand new bathroom. Enjoy a large covered back porch off of the kitchen and living room. It's a great space for entertaining and summer cookouts. There is a lot more living space in the basement that could easily be finished, or it could be used as a hobby area or a workshop. This exceptional basement offers tall ceilings, a wood-burning stove, and a full bathroom. You can step right out to the covered patio from the basement. This charming home won't last long. Call today.